In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. First, let's get started by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're on your homepage, look for the section labeled Products and Services. Click on this option and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can manage everything related to the items you wish to sell. On this page, you'll find a section called Products. Click on it to proceed further. This will bring you to a dashboard where you can manage existing products or add new ones. Now, let's focus on adding a new product to your store. Locate the button that says ADD Product and click on it. This action will give you several options for different types of products to add. Since we're starting with a physical product, select the Physical option. Once you've made this selection, you're ready to configure the details of your new product. Begin by typing in the product name. Make sure it's descriptive and concise, as this name will be how customers recognize the item in your store. And next, you'll want to add an image of your product. Click on Add Image to do this. You have two options for uploading images. You can either click on Upload File to import a fresh image from your device, or you can choose Select from Library if the image is already saved within your Squarespace account. Once your image is ready, click on Next to proceed. Now, it's important to set a price for your product. In the designated field, type in the cost of the item. Following that, you'll see a Stock Switch button. Toggle this button to enable stock management to help keep track of how many items you have available for sale. Next, we'll add more details about the product. Click on ADD More Details, and here you can type a comprehensive product description. Take this opportunity to highlight key features, benefits, and any essential information customers might need to make a purchase decision. After you've filled in the description, complete the additional fields. You'll need to fill up forms with any remaining information such as dimensions or product variations. Then navigate to Inventory and input the current stock level of your product. Finally, set up the Fulfillment options. This includes everything from shipping configurations to how you plan to deliver digital products, ensuring customers receive their items promptly. Once everything is in place, click Save to ensure all your hard work is stored properly. When you're ready to launch your product for customers to purchase, simply click Publish. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to add a physical product to your Squarespace store, making it ready for sale. Follow similar steps when adding digital products, but remember to adjust fulfillment settings accordingly. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.